Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you amazing dish with tuna tartare, tomatoes, wasabi puree, sesame mayo and bonito flakes. So let's not waste time and get started. So first, I start with my sesame mayo. I'm gonna mix 1 egg yolk with some mustard and lemon juice, and then I start mixing in my vegetable oil until I get nice thick mayo. I season it with salt and pepper and splash of sesame oil, mix it a little bit more and sesame mayo is done. Next, I will do wasabi puree. Start with cutting 1 avocado in half and then scrape the middle out. Then I put nice amount of wasabi paste, juice from 1 lime and bleach it a little bit. Then I add some vegetable oil, water, salt and pepper and mix until I get nice smooth puree. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. Pass it through the quinoa and wasabi avocado puree is done. Now I'm gonna prep some cherry tomatoes. I cut them on one side and cook them in boiling water for 30 seconds. Then I put them straight away inside the cold water to cool it down. You can even use ice, but if you don't do too much tomatoes like me, cold water is fine. Now I can easily peel the skin out and my tomatoes are almost ready to go. But now it's time for the king of the show, fresh tuna. I got 1 nice piece, so I just cut it in half and then I cut some cubes. And guys, if you like today's recipe, give it thumbs up and let me know in the comment if you prefer raw tuna or cook one. I mix soy sauce and some mirin and put my tuna in for 15 minutes to marinate. Then I take them out and put on the kitchen towel to dry them a little bit. Half of them I gonna mix with sesame seeds and half I gonna leave how they are. Now I season my tomatoes with salt, pepper and lime zest and they are ready to go. And now we got everything ready and it's time to put on the plate. Start with marinated tuna and blanched tomatoes with lime zest. Few dots of strong wasabi puree, and on another side is coming my sesame mayo. And finish it with some bonito flakes and coriander leaves. Enjoy, guys. So I hope you learned something new today, guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up, and if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. If you wanna see more of my work, I got all the links in description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.